Hi guys, so this review is going to be a review slash Miracle Treat Day video from DQ, unofficially. Last year, I don't know if you guys remember, I did do a Miracle Treat video. I cannot remember for the life of me what blizzard I had last year. I'm going to link that video to this one later on. So today, only on August 8th, net proceeds from any blizzard, doesn't matter what size, is going to go towards Children's Miracle Network hospitals. So I do recommend you try this. They have it every year. I got the Reese Peanut Butter Lovers Blizzard. I got a small because this is for something Canadian before tax. So I got the small one. And plus I'm still full from my Tim Hortons video. So look at that. Let's try it there. Sorry, I don't want peanut butter or anything else, but I wanted the peanut butter. It's hard to tell there. I know it just looks white, but it definitely tastes of peanut butter flavoring in the ice cream or the soft serve part, itself. I'm trying to get you guys a better view of the peanut butter cups in here. There we go. It's really good. I'm going to give this 4 out of 5. The reason I'm going to give that rating, I wish there's more chunks of peanut butter cups in here. So that's why I give it 4 out of 5. Definitely has a nice peanut butter taste in the soft serve itself, but I really wish there was bigger chunks of the peanut butter cups. So as far as I know, this is the only Reese's peanut butter lovers item that's available here. I know in the States I've seen the Krispy Kreme donuts, and they have a set you can get. It's called Reese's Peanut Butter Lovers Donut. And Reese's Chocolate Lovers Donut. Or you can get the chocolates themselves, like one's chocolate lovers and one's peanut butter lovers. Peanut butter lovers, I believe, is cups are covered in white chocolate. As far as I know, in Canada, this is the only peanut butter lovers item available. They also have Reese's Chocolate Lovers Blizzard as well, but I love peanut butter, so I got this one. I do love chocolate too, but I can't get both. This is just a once-in-a-lifetime treat. I hardly ever eat this kind of stuff, really. So yeah, I definitely recommend you guys check this out. I'm going to try and upload this Dairy Queen video today, if I can. Hopefully you guys get a chance to visit DQ and get a blizzard, because the money goes to a good cause. That being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit the like. Okay, if you guys aren't subscribed, I encourage you guys to subscribe if you enjoy this kind of content. As well, don't forget, when you're hitting that bell, set all notifications. That way you guys don't miss any new content that comes out on the channel. And don't forget to check out my Patreon, as well as our new merch. And as well, check out the social media links down below, as well as those channel links. Bye, guys.